This is my YouTube friend knife. Very similar to Kylie knife, convex. And this is the Gavkoo knife. Very similar length, but very different edge line. So first, Gavkoo knife. Very sharp. Very thick, like 1.5 inches, 4 centimeters thick, very thick fat tissue under the skin. This is a skinning type blade, so very comfortable now. And shoulder blade here. Okay. Shoulder blade open. Later, I remove the front leg. And at first, I need to check the getting backstrap capability. Okay. Here is the end line. Very thick, deep backstrap. Not bad. I need to compare with the semi Kylie knife, similar para Kylie knife. What to say? I don't know. Anyhow, my friend YouTuber made it for me. This is the European fellow YouTuber's knife. I don't know about its steel at all. I believe it's a carbon steel. That's all. It's a sharp knife as Gavkoo knife. I don't think it's a very fast knife. My fastest knife is Bark River Garni and Fox River. I'm not much used to these two knives. Gavkoo knife. European knife. Oh, it's a neck shot and bleeding under there. So this line is enough. Broken spine. Okay, this is not. Now, not sharp enough. Gavkoo knife. Yeah, sharper. I haven't ground off this sharp jimping yet. I need to do it very soon. This jimping is no good. Aching. Anyway, Gavkoo 154cm knife has a decent edge retention, like this. You know, meat separating is easy job. Skinning is harder job. It's skinned very well now. Very well now. I remember maybe it did neck cutting. I forgot. Anyhow, we have been doing 2 hours. Crazy stuff. 2 stags. 2 big stags. Now, front leg muscle extraction. Anyway, very, very big amount of meat. 3 plastic bags, each 15 kilograms, you know, like 30 pounds, 100 pounds meat. Okay. Hello, knife people. Please remember, this Fox River edge line is the best one. This line is the Fox River line. Relatively shallow. My hand is like this. I can use long line from here to the point. It's a very well thought edge line. Looks very simple, but it's a perfect line. It's a great backup. Very tough edge. I deepened a bit and not chipped. Acceptably sharp and amazingly tough. Anyhow, I cannot make this angle at this shallow hand position. This. You see? This difference. And definitely I need this line for getting back straps very fast. No, very beautifully. So I raise my hand and make this line angle. So the usable portion is short from here to here. You know, this shallow line is important, this line. So the usable portion is limited. That is a reason between speed knife and slow knife. Slow knife, my hand up, and fast knife, my hand down. Very small angle, but I was not able to use this portion coming to my hand crescent. This straight line is important. Please look at this line. Next, look at this line. Okay? This line, remember? This line. Difficult to explain on the table sheet, but it was not fast knife. I'm sorry. Slow knife. It's of course slow knife. This portion is too acute. Too acute, so I need to raise up the hand much. It's difficult to explain on the tabletop. I'm sorry. Anyhow. This didn't do to the last. It gave up at the point of neck skin cutting. Very thick skin. From him, it's a handmade knife from European, my fellow YouTuber. Interesting, tapered tongue, viewed from this side, but straight tang. And flat bevel here, and from this line, convex, and it has a micro bevel, very deep angled micro bevel, nearly 40 degrees. You know, shallowing from high line is very difficult for me. It's a handmade knife. So I don't know what steel it is, but it would need this angle. So he made this micro bevel, pretty deep micro bevel, you can see. And it didn't take any micro problems at all. No chips, no rolls, but it doesn't cut very well now. From him, not sharp, from him, just from him, in new condition, not sharp. And now, like this. it did to the end. Back straps, hips, extremities, neck cutting, everything. And now, this sharpness. I confirmed it had no chips, no rolls. Clearly sharper. This handle, very nice for pinch holding. It is made for pinch holding, I believe. But this jimping is very annoying. Please look at this sharp edge. It makes my thumb aching much. Gavkoo 154 cm. Pretty comfortable handle. Pinch holding long enough. Full hand holding just right. A bit short, but no problem. Jimping is no good. Look at this typical grind. Flat grind, convex grind, deep convex grind, and zero grind. No micro bevel. Zero grind, convex bevel here. So it is sharp, and this 154 cm is very, very tough. It did everything. More than half deer. Maybe it would do the total single deer. Gavkoo. He was an amateur knife maker, but now he should be a professional knife maker. It's an old knife of him. So his current technique will be much, much better. Okay. Gavkoo knife is a nice knife. It's a very good handmade knife. It was originally thick bushcraft handle. He ground off this thickness thinner for me, but this wideness is a bit too much for me. It's a bushcraft handle. For hunting, a bit thinner is better in my opinion. And this handle, thinner is better for pinch holding. A bit different. This upper line can be wrong. Retrogressive line can be better. I don't know. It's a difficult issue for me. Anyhow, it's a, amateur made great knife. Maybe not a great steel. No chips because of this strong micro bevel. Okay, each knives, but I was much impressed this Gavkoo knife. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye bye. It's a KSF sheath. Okay.